What's the meaning of Alan Bates? Alan Bates. Alan Bates. Alan Bates. Alan Bates. Alan Bates.
Alan Bates was an English actor known for his versatile acting career on stage, television and film. Born in Derbyshire in 1934, Bates began his acting career in the 1950s and went on to receive critical acclaim for his performances in works such as The Entertainer and Whistle Down the Wind. He also appeared in Hollywood productions such as Zorba the Greek and Gosford Park. Bates was a celebrated actor who won multiple awards throughout his career, including a BAFTA and a Tony Award. He passed away in 2003 at the age of 69.